Hello, I am Ricky. I am unemployed, and this is my new series called Unemployment Vlogs. Today, I'm going to speedrun an onion. It was meant to be a pear, but the pear was out of date. I could speedrun eating a pear. I haven't done this. Oh, the pear's moldy. Moldy pear. This has turned into breaking a pear with my bare hands. Yeah, I'm going to find something else to do. I am not looking forward to this challenge. I haven't done it before. I like onion, but not this much. Now this is something I'm not looking forward to doing, but I will anyway. I have weighed the onion to make sure it is regulation size, and so you can compare your own results to mine. Let's stop putting off what's going to happen and let's do it. Right, I'm recording my phone with a timer so then I can time it. For my challenge, you have to start from out the bag onion, as peeling is part of the procedure. I don't really want to do this, but I've already said I would, so I am. Hopefully this will help me find a job. I don't really want to do this. And when I start, I will not stop. Well, there's no time like the present. I'll press start. Alright, no further ado. Let's do the eating a whole onion raw challenge speed run. I'll press play in 3, 2, 1. Now. Oh shit, it's gonna make me cry, isn't it? Do not do this at home. I am a trained chef. No, I'm not. I used to work in the kitchen. That's good. I have peeled the onion in 20 seconds. Now it's time to bite it. What?
Why do you want to take the next bite?
This isn't good.
Then you can stop if you want.
It's already in my mouth. I'll hold the remnants while I eat the rest.
You're going to continue.
Right, I've taken many bites. I'm going to call it there. I did that in 2 minutes, 10 seconds, whatever that was. I ate about 3 good bites out of an onion and didn't swallow any of it. Join in next time. Thank you for joining me for Unemployment Vlogs, episode 1, Speedrun eating an onion.